Have you ever wondered how ancient people knew when to plant crops, celebrate festivals, or even predict floods? Thousands of years before clocks or smartphones existed? The answer is simple but fascinating. They created calendars. Today, let's explore the amazing history of ancient calendars, who invented them, and how they worked. In the ancient world, survival depended on timing. Farmers needed to know when the rains would come, when to plant seeds, and when to harvest crops. Religious leaders needed to mark sacred days and festivals. Traders needed to plan long journeys. To solve all this, humans began looking at the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars, and used them as nature's clock. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to create a solar calendar around 3000 BCE. They noticed that the bright star Sirius appeared just before the Nile River flooded each year. This helped them predict the floods that brought fertile soil. Their calendar had 365 days, divided into 12 months of 30 days each, plus 5 extra festival days at the end of the year. In Mesopotamia, the Babylonians created a lunar calendar based on the moon's phases from new moon to full moon. But since 12 moon months are shorter than a solar year, they had to add an extra month every few years to stay in sync with the seasons. Across the ocean, the Maya civilization in Central America built 2 incredibly accurate calendars: the Tzolk'in with 260 days for religious rituals, and the Hab, a 365-day solar calendar. When combined, they formed a 52-year cycle known as the calendar round. And in Rome, Julius Caesar reformed the messy Roman calendar and created the Julian calendar in 46 BCE. This was the first to add a leap year every 4 years to keep the calendar aligned with the solar year, an idea we still use today. Ancient calendars worked by carefully watching the sky. Lunar calendars tracked the moon's cycle. Each month began with the first crescent moon. Solar calendars used the sun's position and measured one full revolution of the Earth around the sun, what we call a year. Some civilizations, like the Babylonians, used a lunisolar calendar, mixing both systems to stay aligned with seasons. These calendars weren't just about marking days, they were early scientific tools. They proved that ancient civilizations understood astronomy and could calculate time with impressive accuracy. Using calendars, they predicted solstices, eclipses, and seasonal changes, laying the groundwork for modern science and timekeeping. Here's something cool. The Mayan calendar could predict solar eclipses. The Egyptians were the first to divide a day into 24 hours, and Stonehenge in England may have worked as a giant calendar to track the summer and winter solstice. Calendars are more than just dates. They are proof of how far human curiosity has taken us. So next time you look at your phone's calendar, remember it all started thousands of years ago, by people who simply looked up at the sky and asked,